Now I'm going to be cutting up some turkey that I made yesterday. You can see my video from yesterday. I made turkey, came out so good. Now we're going to then put it in a frying pan with olive oil. Best olive oil you can have is organic virgin olive oil. We're going to fry it up and we're going to be cracking some eggs in there. Yep, bunch of eggs. And of course, we can't forget our sourdough bread. We need to heat those up. Of course, we can't forget about our organic green tea with our manuka honey. So good, especially when you add a splash of milk. Next up, we're making our salad. We're going to be cutting up some strawberries and adding it to our Russian kale. And of course, we can't forget the feta cheese and some balsamic raspberry vinaigrette. Look at that deliciousness. Now, don't forget that no matter how healthy you eat, you still have to be active. So here we go. This is our plating now. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Leave some comments if you